So with every kit you'll get just a sheet with the template on. As you go through it, everything in green is cam lock, brown cam lock, they just knock in. These are nylon inserts, these go one either side of the drawer, push button catch. There's two above the drawer runner and two on the door where the push catch goes, two on the other door for the push catch, two for each wooden stop plate, and then the actual door on the hinge, four on each door. The silver cam lock pins, everything that's marked blue other than what I've just said has a cam lock pin in. Anything that's got a red dot on it, you still have a cam lock pin, but it goes on the reverse side of the board because the hole's drilled all the way through. So on the drawers on this one, and where the fridge shelf sits, they go on the back side of it. Hinges, they're in purple. There's 4 hinges, 3 parts to your push locks. That goes on the face, sits on the back, that screws on there. They fasten in with 16mm screws, so they fasten either side, 16mm screws through the back. The hinges, where they fasten onto the door, anything that you put the nylon inserts in, 16mm screws go into them. And that's that. So you'll need impact driver. You don't have to have an impact driver, just makes it a bit faster. You can use just a screwdriver, but that's a PZ2. I prefer the long ones, it's just easier to get into the corners. Hammer and a rubber mallet. The only reason we use a white one is just it doesn't mark your T-trim. The black ones tend to scuff the T-trim when you put them on. If you need links for any of them, I can drop you a link for Amazon, the peanuts. Right, so the brown cam locks, like I said before, they go in every hole that's green. I'll just show you how they fasten in. Just line that front face up with the, give it a tap just so it's flush, and like I say, every hole that's green on the template. Right, so the nylon inserts, just make sure they sit flush. They're to take the 16mm screws, and the silver cam pins. So again, just make sure they sit flush with the face. I'll just do this one so you can see it. This is the drawer front. And the only other piece on this is you just want the front catch. A mallet for that. That fastens in there. And then your push lock, twist piece, so push that in before you start. That will just tap into the hole. 2 of the 16mm screws. That's that, other than the push knob. Just pop that out, that'll screw on. And then you've got, what I would suggest though is leave these off until you're all built, just because the fronts of these will scuff quite easily. building the base. One way, that'll fit fine. That's a bit different in size that way. So your sides, this goes this side, and this goes this side. Keep your cams on the outsides of the drawer because you don't want to see them on the inside. These cams, they go in at just a slight angle, twist, lock, twist and lock. You should have the pins on the inside. This one, same. Twist and lock, twist and lock. I'll give you the drawer base. Drop that in. Set your cams. There's your drawer. Started. And then you just need a drawer front. Slot on. That's your drawer all done. Like I say, we will supply them with the drawer runners on these two pieces just so that you don't have to set them.